Hey everyone, so let's talk about BYBIT copy trading and is it worth it? Is it worth to actually use this trading? There's been about, what, 2-year anniversary now since BYBIT copy trading, about to be 2 years. 32 million successful trades, 75% win rate. Now, if you guys want, you can actually use my code for a free $4,000 rewards. Link in the description below, but today we're going to be talking about if this is actually worth it and what are the negatives and positives. Now you have the top master traders that over a week, so 7 days, they do give you an ROI. They basically trade for you or they do these positions for you, and I do feel it's a double-edged sword. So in my honest opinion, yeah, in the bad markets, like in the bear market, it's really hard to make those profits, and you can actually see that they made what, about... This guy lost 29,000 in last 7 days, but this person won about, what, 47,000? So a lot of people want to like follow him. The only thing I'm worried about is that there is a huge risk here. There's definitely a huge risk with copy trading overall, as well, very simply put, the past does not represent the future. So while these traders, they might be great traders, some key fatal mistakes or market changes could end up wiping them. Now, is this a better solution than trading yourself? In most scenarios, yeah. In most scenarios, these traders are in fact better than trading than yourself, because it's very hard to trade in the crypto market. So if we look at this person over here, Wealth Group, that they have been saying, again, if you want a free bonus, you can use the link in the description below. I'm mostly reviewing here what exactly is doing copy trading, and I've been making a lot of videos on copy trading overall. So that being said, it does seem like that this guy has been mostly winning. So they usually look at last 7 days, but I'm mostly interested in last 90 days because I want something stable. Sure, if you put something for 7 days, got a 75% or 50% profit, it's great. But what if you end up losing everything? So let's take a look here. If you potentially put it in August, and then, you know, you saw the ROI being 12% down, and then even more saw it 11% down, of course, you would be pulling it out and take the loss. But this trader actually managed to get a profit of 60%. And for that, they needed to wait about a month. So it's really about the steady hands. Actually, 2 months. He needed to wait about 2 months. So this is just a anecdotal review of that, but people are usually holding for average holding time of 7 hours. Let that sink in. Like, they do a few trades and they give up. So I think over time, if you check here in the last 90 days by week, it has been mostly profitable, but he did have some bad trades, and I do think this is when the markets really changed. In the last days, the real thing I really like about copy trading is its transparency. So it's going to tell you what other people put in there. It's not going to show what exactly it's going to be. So this could be Wealth Group, could be the same account. It says we here, but they could be doing their own trades over here from what I understand, or via, or I'm not too sure about that. So I won't go too much in speculation. But they do put where the money is. Now, they do have 381,000 USDT and the cost, and they let others join in from what I understand. So they received about $4,000, $5,000 profit. If this is true, he's making about 128,000 and has a profit sharing of 12%, which is an insane cashback if he makes those big slots. Now, a lot of people can join him in, and I do feel, you know, this is just a specific account. Again, guys, this is not, you know, anything else. I'm just comparing the advantages of this. And people who have been following him for 6 months, this person actually put 100K in and made about 1K back, which is not bad, but it's definitely very risky, you know. And some of these profits, they're huge, but there's also people like having a loss, not that much big one. So this person put $2,000 in is minus, but he's been minus $70, but it's only putting 73 days in. So it's not free money. I think a lot of people get the confusion that copy trading is free money and it's easy and simple and it's going to make you a ton of cash back. No, that's not true. You know, copy trading is risky, but if you trade with the right people, if you trade with the right copy traders, you can actually make huge profit. And I'm not looking at 7-day charts. I think these 7-day charts are only for short-term traders. What I'm mostly looking is at 90-day charts, 30-day charts, because usually you set and forget, right? So for 90 days, it got a 1.3% ROI, but for a 30-day chart, you basically got a 12% ROI. So on the long term, it's always not beneficial. You could have put that in some other aspects like staking or things like that. But I'm mostly focusing here on what kind of rewards it can give you. Can it give you 100% returns? Hard. Can it give you like 5% returns or like 12% returns? Sure. But you need to trust the trader, and it can be really risky. So in my opinion, copy trading has changed a lot. It's still one of the best choices for people who don't know how to trade, because if you don't know how to trade, just don't do it. I do know some people on the top of the ladder, they got about 50% ROI, which is completely insane. That's a absolute craziness. But this person mostly won. Like, look at this. So if you can find a good trader, then it's really, really good. People usually, deposit and pull out under 12 hours. So that's the big difference. I do think copy trading is still a very viable strategy for a lot of people, but not everyone is going to be a winner. So you have to do research. It's not just like putting your money in and becoming a millionaire. No, absolutely not. I think a lot of big traders actually are sold out. They're sold out, and you cannot actually get in. That's the big problem. So if we go under here, I do think a lot of these master traders that make a lot of money, look at this. This is full. This is full. This is full, because they make a lot of profit. They make a lot of profit. They have a lot of followers, 1,000 followers over here. So it's definitely a big difference. I'll keep you guys updated with more news on the copy trading. If you like this review, be sure to smash that like button. And until next time, peace everyone.